Me here again. To begin with, I'll start again with the video that we couldn't view properly because you might remember we talked a bit about cloud computing and what Google is doing in this topic. Now we'll proceed on the next topic on how you can be a part of Google's initiative in this major change in the industry, which is called cloud computing. Short agenda, just 10 minutes presentation. We'll talk about Google Enterprise and Google Apps, our flagship program. Google Apps reseller program, basically where you can participate on taking our solutions to the market. What are the revenue opportunities? What are we looking at in a prospective partner, and what are the next steps? Google Enterprise, in a nutshell, is a 1,000 people organization within Google, so you can consider it as a startup because Google has more than 24,000 employees globally, more than 30,000 active search customers. What does that mean? It means that our solutions are on Google search for your organization. So Google.com is a search engine, but you cannot have that technology within your organization, for example. We provide that technology in a box which you can take into your organization, index all your data, and leverage Google's technology to search inside your behind firewall data. So that is Google search technology that we take to the enterprises. We have over 30,000 active customers globally in that product line. Then we have Google Geo, which is Google Maps and Earth. Most of you would be using Google Maps sometime during the day, hopefully while traveling. The third line, which is the most important and the fastest growing for Google, is Google Apps, which is a cloud solution. Now what is it? It's nothing but a suite of products, a bunch of products which are web-based that you can access with a web browser, with an internet browser, through an internet connection. A mailing solution, an IM solution, instant messaging, chat, video chat, audio chat, text chat, video conferencing, Google Groups, which is mailing list. You can create a group of people you interact with most commonly. Google Calendar, a web-based calendar to share resources, check other schedules and fix up meetings. Google Docs and sites to collaborate online, make and share documents with your colleagues, with your partners. You don't have to worry about licenses or different licenses for your different devices. One license works on all kinds of devices. It may be a Windows machine, maybe a Linux machine, maybe a Mac, maybe a cell phone or iPad. You don't have to purchase extra licenses. Same with sites and video. Video here is basically YouTube.com kind of software for your domain, for your organization. You have a host of videos. Where do you store them? How do you share it with others? This provides you a platform where you can upload videos and share it with your colleagues and partners. At the end, we have Postini, which provides a layer of security on top of Gmail, which is your mailing solution inside Google Apps. Some of our customers globally and in India. We talked about them in the morning session as well. In India, we have India Infoline, Sterlite. India Infoline was one of our earliest wins in India. More than 20,000 employees of India Infoline use Google Apps today. They've been using it for the last 2 years. Sterlite was a recent win. They've been using it for the last 1 year. More than 1,000 employees. Then other SMBs and medium businesses. Globally, we have over 2 million businesses using Google Apps, and thousands of them join up and sign up every day. Now, what is the reseller program? How can you add value to it? How can you take it to the market? And what is it? It's basically a growing ecosystem of system integrators. What are they? Software vendors, SIs, people like you, people like sales and channel companies who can take these new initiatives, these new products to the market and help change the world, I would say, bit by bit. Now what does this partnership bring in for you? Technical and sales training from Google, from our engineers, from our sales guys. We'll co-market with you, we'll provide you sales training, we'll provide you sales material and sales collaboration. And the opportunity to collaborate with Google on brand association. Google is a major brand globally and in particularly in India. So this provides you an opportunity to collect and connect and join forces with Google so that your brand also leverages our power. So our flagship program, Google Apps Premier Edition, it has been changed to Google Apps for Business. It's a slightly dated slide. The list price is at $50, which translates to 2,300 rupees per user per year. That's the only cost that the user has to pay or the customer has to pay. No other hidden charges, no hardware charges, no upgrades, no patches, nothing. Support, upgrades, patches, new features are included free of cost. This is a yearly cost. So there's an opportunity for the partners, and to begin with, there's a 20% reseller discount for all the partners. This is flat, and this is year over year. For every year the customer renews, you get a 20% discount. And this is an upfront fee for the 12 months, or yearly fee. And you can also choose to provide support options to your customers and charge for that. Now we'll talk about some of the qualities that we are looking at in a partner. So what do we look for in a partner when we go into the market and try to identify professionals and prospective partners? You have to have some kind of SaaS model enacted within your organization, or you should be looking forward to it. You should be advocating it in the market. You should have a good services arm so that you can provide services to your customers tomorrow when you choose to become a Google partner. And you should be doing sales consultancy also in the market, not just picking up orders. Go there, create awareness in the market about new technologies. You should definitely have technical capabilities. We'll provide all kinds of training, but you need to put your resources in place and investments as well. You should definitely be able to generate leads and close some business. That's a no-brainer. That's what we are here for, and that's what we require. You'll have to have teams that are nimble, that can move quickly in the market, because this market is ever changing. IT industry has seen so much change in the last 5 to 6 years, and it's going to definitely increase. The rate of change is accelerating. So you have to have resources that you can move around quickly on a tight schedule and tight launch timelines. So what are the revenue opportunities for you here? Why should you partner with Google apart from branding, technology, training, etc.? Recurring revenue, one. And you have to have, or you can choose to have user support for which you can charge the customer extra. So this service, maybe it's easier to implement, but it requires some kind of hand-holding to begin with. You can put your resources in that and charge the customers in that regard. Adoption guiding, change management. So all these are known issues that every customer looks forward to in an SI or in a partner to help them with. That's where the revenue opportunities lie for you. Now, the second part is project-based revenue. Now, you have implemented Google Apps at a company, for example, say Sterling, but they have a lot of applications that they would like to move to Google Cloud. And who can help them? Google, we don't have a service cloud. That's where we look forward to our partners to pitch in and provide services so that those applications can be moved to Google Cloud by your expertise. The application configuration, custom apps development, email migration, synchronization, different kinds of implementation across platforms. That's where your revenue opportunities lie. And these are immense. Then we're talking about APIs, the set of tools that provide you options to connect to other in-house applications that they might have. So these are some of the opportunities in revenue, and some of our existing partners are definitely cashing in on it big time. To name a few, we have partnerships with TCS, Wipro, Team Computers, Tata Communications Limited. And these are bigger companies. We are looking at SMB partners in a big way. We're just a couple of years old in India, and we're looking at a lot of partnerships to go forward. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see my email ID there. If you can, write it to that, or if you are not sure or too shy, just go online to reseller.googleapps.com. I look forward to a lot of sign-ups and look forward to a fruitful partnership, hopefully.